second tour proposal involved calculating the total expenses for a tour like transportation, accommodation, and meals to set a price. A tour proposal then presents this information to clients, outlining the itinerary services and costs to help them decide whether to book the tour.
Number 1, resort hotel accommodation. Always compute the number per person. If the rate is good for 2 persons, divide the price into 2 and proceed with costing. If the package is for 3 packs, get the double twin rate plus extra bed rate, then divide the price to 3.
For number 2, round-trip transfers. For example is airport, bus terminal, seaport or hotel, resort, airport, bus terminal or seaport. In computing for the transfers, it is advisable to give a certain allowance to the number of guests. For example, there will be 20 paying packs for a coaster transfer. Compute it as 15, so there will still be allowance of 5 should there be other packs who will cancel this tour. The rate will still be applicable in case there is decrease in the number of guests.
Number 3 is daily breakfast. Expect that guests are always hungry every time they water up each morning. It is then important to incorporate their breakfast in their accommodation. Best establishment always incorporate their breakfast on their room rates. Should there be no breakfast included, refer to the contracted rates and proceed to costing.
For number 4, guides free for guided tours, if requested. Prefer to use local guides because they are more knowledgeable of the place and to promote local employment.
Number 5, there are suppliers for guided tours or inclusions of tour guide may be recommended.
For number 6, travel insurance. In every tour package, guests must be individually insured during the entire tour to prevent liability in cases of accidents.
Number 7, compute the net rates of all tour requirements.
For number 8, add the travel agency markup. The travel agency markup should be very competitive. Other tour operators or travel agency adds 25% from the total computed rates. Should there be a third person to ask for commission, the travel agency can still give at least 10% of the selling price.
Number 9, let your manager check your work.
Hi guys, magbibigay ako ng example sa inyo about sa tour costing and kung paano ito ginagawa at kung paano ito sinasolve. Kunwari guys, pagpunta tayo ng 50 packs. And ito yung magbibigay ako sa inyo ng example na kunwari sa bus is 500 pesos. And syempre sa room rate is 100 pesos. Extra bed sa extra bed, ito, pagka example, kunwari sa room, magdadagdag kayo ng isang tao, syempre kailangan natin ng extra bed, ito yung fees nila sa amount lang. 10 pesos na lang per box. And then, ABF, ang meaning ng ABF is American breakfast. And the example nito is, kung yung price nito is 10 pesos na lang din. And then, lunch and dinner. And then yung last, yung transfers. Ano nga ba itong transfers guys? ba yung transfers? Kunwari, ikaw yung nag-book kasi sa hotel and syempre kailangan mo na bumalik. Ito yung ako sa transportation and yung mga babayaran mo na sa pag-commute mo. And then, ito naman na tayo sa tour costing talaga. Ito yung bibigyan ko sa inyo ng example ng transport. Kung paano natin siya kukupitin lahat. Kunwari, ang transport is 1,000. And then, ito yung hotel with ABF. Ang presyo niya ng pinwari guys is 500 pesos. And then second guys, syempre, hindi mawawala yung meals. ₱30 sa natin. And then, entrance fees. ₱100. Ang entrance fees guys, ito yung pamari pumunta tayo sa Kagsawa ng Wings. Siyempre kailangan dito ng entrance fees. And siyempre, yung may pang pwede tayo puntahan, andyan na lahat yun, all in na siya. And then siyempre, insurance. Sa insurance guys, importante ito, lalo pagka bumabiyahe kayo sa travel and tours, kailangan yan siyempre in case na may mangyari sa inyo, kasama yan sa mabayaran nyo. And example na lang natin sa insurance is ₱50. And then last, and yung second is OE. Ano nga ba yung OE? Ito yung operating expense. Example lang natin guys is ₱100. And then last, yung FOC or free of charge. And then ito, kukumpitin na natin siya is ang total sa transport, lagi tayo din magbibigay ng palugit na tumawag sa $10. Ang ibubukong natin dyan is 4p. So, i-divide natin sa 4p. So, pag i-divide yan, ang sagot dyan is 25 lang. And then ito, pakumpitin na natin siya is total yan. Hindi syempre, may percent yan na hindi niya tulad na markup nila. So, total yan is 18%. So, magiging total ng lahat na yan is 473. And then, after nyan, magbibigay pa ng 25%. And then, yan yung total. Ang magiging sagot dyan is 591 pesos. Ito yung babayaran ng per head ng $50. So ngayon, paano kunwari may nag-cancel dito sa isa? Kunwari tumawag ang isa sa customer na hindi siya pwede. So, bali ang sasabihin niya sa kanila is kung okay lang ba kung bababa kung ganun pa rin yung presyo. And syempre, ang sasabihin ko is okay lang dahil yung palugod ka naman na 10. Kaya 40 lang ang binom mo.